How to create and set up a Wise bank account complete tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about Wise and how you can use this software to create your virtual bank account. Now, I know nowadays it's a hassle to go ahead to an actual bank and create an account and, depositing money and, getting a money order, etc., stuff like that. It's pretty, difficult and it's a hassle, it's a hassle. So, in a world that has totally been digitalized, we have banks that are digitalized as well. So, we have Wise. And Wise is an international bank that is online. Okay, you get money without borders. So, you can connect your money worldwide with high speed and low fee transfers. So, if we open this up, here it says save when you send worldwide. You can get your money moving internationally, save on hidden fees when you send with Wise, okay? And Wise is a pretty well-known and well-used platform. It works pretty incredibly. It works pretty nicely, in my opinion. Okay, and Wise also has, this whole save on fees when sending money abroad. So you can send money abroad to your loved ones if you want to. That is also doable, and it's pretty fun to do so for yourself. And as you can see, you can get these currency converters as well that you can use if you're sending money abroad for yourself. You can see how much is their fee, how much is the total fee, the connected bank account fee, total amount they will convert, and the guaranteed rate that has been promised right now. So, it's pretty cool and pretty fun stuff to have for yourself. And Wise does work incredibly when you want to send money online here and there and just keep a virtual bank for yourself. Okay, and you can also see where Wise works in. You can see your country, and if it does work in your country, you can, pretty much go ahead, check it out over here. So we can see that you can send money to this country and you can send it through the different providers that it gives you. It also shows you the analytics for the different markets that give you the different rates on a few money on, let's say this is 1,000 Great Britain pounds from Wise, this is 1,000 Great Britain pounds from XE, this is from Nationwide, NatWest, and RBS. So, we can see Wise doesn't play around. Wise gives you the proper money. And, pretty incredible stuff to have for yourself. Now, how do you actually create an account? Okay. How do you actually make an account for your, Wise? So, as you can see here, they say you're going to register for free. Okay. Sign up in online or in their app. All you need is an email address or a Google Facebook account. Choose an amount to send. So you're going to tell them how much to send. They're going to show you your fees up front. Add recipient's bank details, obviously. Verify your identity. Pay for your transfer, and that's it. So, pretty straight up. You can use different payment procedures as well. So first of all, like PISP, Payment Initiation Service Provider, you get bank transfers as well, which is usually the cheapest option, but it will be pretty slow. And we have debit and credit card, which are pretty easy and fast. We have Swift to fund your transfer, Apple Pay, and then also Google Pay. So, it's pretty fun to use Wise. It's pretty secure. And, generally it's a good application to have for yourself when you have a whole business venture for yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on register. Okay, we're going to go ahead and sign up with this. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your email address. So I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself just to give you an example on how you're going to create an account. Now, if you want to create a proper account, do not use a temp mail. I'm simply using a temp mail because I am obviously giving you a tutorial on how to use it. But, if you're just using it for, other reasons, do not add a temp mail. Now, once we do this, as you can see, it says follow the link in the email to, sign up for it yourself, basically. So what you're going to do is you're going to wait a few seconds because the email can take up, to 1 minute to arrive in your inbox. So we're simply going to give it a little wait. And once the email basically arrives in our inbox, what we are going to be doing from there is we're going to go ahead. So here we are. The email has arrived. So we're going to go ahead and click over here. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and confirm our email address. Now, once you do that, here you can see your email is confirmed. So you're going to click on continue. Now it says, what kind of account would you like to open today? Now, these are two options where people usually get stuck. Personal account is to send, spend, and receive around the world for less. A business account is to do business or freelance work internationally. Okay, so both of these can send internationally, but what's the difference? Basically, business gives you a more free hand because in business, you don't just send, spend, and receive. You can do a whole lot more. You can, pay your bills. You can pretty much use it as a proper bank. Personal, on the other hand, is only used to send to, your loved ones or some person. Spend it, obviously. Whenever you receive it, you can spend it through your card or your phone, and then obviously receive it. Business, obviously, is a totally different game. So do know this, that if you do want to create a business account, do make sure that you actually have a business, because most people just go ahead and click on the business account expecting that, this is going to pretty much work. That is not how it works. You do need to have a proper business that you're going to need to verify as well, because if you're not able to verify it, Wise will not give you the account. Wise will just not allow you at all to create the account. So what you're going to be doing is I'm going to go with the personal account right now. Now here it says, where do you live most of the time? So obviously we're going to have to choose our country. And once you choose your country, here brings you to two-factor authorization. Now it says what you can do with a Wise in this country. You can send money abroad, make fast, low-cost international transfers and move large amounts, but I can't convert and hold money, receive money, get the Wise card, or invest your money. So obviously, you're going to want to make sure, if you want to go with this country, or if you have any contacts in other countries that, you can borrow phone numbers off of and create an account of an external country, okay? So, pretty much choose a country that, is going to work well for you, like, something like the United States and all. And once you've done that, you're going to pretty much start creating an account with it. I'm still going to go with my country because of the two-factor authentication. We kind of need it because of the sign up. So once we are over here, I'm going to add my phone number. Once we add our phone number, we're going to go ahead and sign up. Okay. Now, in some cases, it might tell you that we can't, complete your registration on the site. Please go ahead and download the app. Now, you don't necessarily have to do that, but in some cases, it will tell you to do so. So you can go ahead and create something with the bank right now. Okay, you can go ahead and create an application. And basically, once you're done with all of that, that creates your, Wise bank account. And from there, you can pretty much go ahead and send your money worldwide. And while sending it worldwide, you can also go ahead and, hold money. You can invest it. You can get a card and a whole lot more. And the Wise card is pretty cool because Wise gives you these multi-currency cards. Like, you can literally transact multiple currencies in this one card, which is pretty incredible in my opinion. Like, you can literally have money in dollars and you can take it out. Like, let's say I have USD in my account and I'm somewhere in Russia. And, if I go to a Russian bank, it will give me the Russian money. So how incredible is that? And then you can also, invest your money through Wise. So Wise basically, gives you investments and, it gives you different ways to holding your money as stocks. So Wise interest is a good thing to keep, your eyes on as well. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can make your own virtual bank through Wise in the easiest and most simplest way possible. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.